Hi all, we're going to test this Rustoleum rust dissolver on this cast iron pan. It's been sitting outside for years. Won't spray. Okay, there it goes. Comes out kind of like a jelly. Okay, so let's check out the directions here. Rustoleum rust dissolver gel formula. Spray on your tools, spray on, I guess, your brakes, 30 minutes, works fast. Powerful formula, stops rust, inhibits rust. Removes rust, protects bare metal up to 12 months. So important. Always test on inconspicuous area first. For best results, apply in ambient temperatures, 70 degrees or above. On metal, maintain wet solution on surface to remove rust. Once rust is dissolved, rinse or wipe the surface. And wait 1 hour before painting. Do not allow to dry on painted surfaces. For improved paint adhesion on clean metal surfaces, dilute remover 50-50 with water. Apply solution and rinse or wipe the surface. To avoid flash rust, wipe clean metal with dry cloth or place in warm, dry atmosphere. Do not use on marble. So half hour, huh? Directions: remove any oil, grease, or dirt from the surface to be treated on heavily rusted surfaces. Remove any loose rust particles with a wire brush. Rinse the metal with water to break the surface tension and wash away any loose rust. Should have read the directions first. Turn sprayer to spray position and apply remover liberally to surface. Continue to apply the remover as needed, keeping the surface wet until rust is dissolved. Disposable units composed of non-removable parts may apply remover, clean post, allow to dry before reassembling. Dissolving rust. That's a helicopter taking off from a hospital. Dissolving rust from iron or steel. Turn sprayer to spray position and apply remover liberally to surface. Continue to apply the remover as needed, keeping the surface wet until rust is dissolved. Chemical action begins at once. Cleaning time will vary according to the severity of rust. Medium to light will be dissolved in 10 to 30 minutes or less, while heavier deposits may require a second application. Once the rust is dissolved, rinse with water and wipe the surface dry. After an hour or more, the surface may be repainted. Aluminum and chrome. Apply the remover to a wet surface. Allow time to dissolve the rust and rinse away with clear water and buff with a cloth. Galvanized surfaces. Where the surface is unbroken, test as suggested for aluminum. Where rust is showing or at the surface, treat as for iron or steel. Rustoleum, Rustoleum.com, 1-800-481-4785. Made in the USA. 1-800-481-4785. Made in the USA. Okay, we got about 17 minutes on the video now. Okay, looks like it's been over 30 minutes. I'll go ahead and wipe that off and reapply it. It looks like it's done pretty good. Okay, so we'll let that sit for a while. I'll go ahead and turn off the video. We'll be back in a bit. Okay, so this is actually the third coat. Seems like it cleaned up pretty good.
And you use enough on there. I don't want to cook in that thing.
No, me neither. I don't think I'd eat anything out of it. You know, unless it was an emergency.
Well, you have to wash it a lot with soap, hot soap and water, and then.
But I think that stuff worked pretty good. Look at that.
Mm.
Look, you know, that's what it looked like. And there it is now. Pretty cool.
Okay, now you're doing the bottom side of the pan.
So what were you saying about how Grandma would clean them up?
When she got done cooking in it, she would always wash them with soap and water. No cleanser, because cleanser takes all the oil out of the material. And then she would turn them upside down on the stove and dry them out real good. Coat them with a little bit of oil so they don't get, make sure there's no water on them, because water will make them rust again. I never actually cooked with any anymore. And now he's doing the bottom side of the pan. And I used to have two of them. I used to have a big one and a small one, and I donated them to somebody else.
I was looking at the big ones at Walmart the other day, and I think they're like $35 or something.
Yeah. Are you supposed to leave it on there for a while?
Half hour, and then for really bad ones, do it twice. I did the other side 3 times.
Just put it on there and leave it on for about an hour.
Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.